Now let's take the 5 Wisdom World Guide Tour, Panchmukhi Darshan. Common costly mistakes. Never do them. Number 1. Common mistake. Starting with large action and large investment. Never start with large plan action and heavy investment. Never start with borrowing money on high interest rates. KL mantra for starting dairy. Think big, but act small. 90% start with large investment capital. Do not start with large investment. Do not start with more than 2 lakh investment. Later, once you have at least 6 months of your own learnings, you can think of further investment. Number 2. Common mistake. Investing on expensive cowshed construction. Do not start with fancy expensive cowshed. Think natural. Cows need comfort, not unwanted complicated expensive cowsheds. Start cowshed with a budget of within 50,000 rupees only. Plan simple cowshed for 5 cows or calf. Starting with large cowshed investment is a big risk. Without the fundamental knowledge and experience, you will end up investing your hard-earned money and later find lot of reasons to reconstruct and redesign the cowshed, which will lead to more unwanted expenses and stress. It is better to start small and then expand slowly. For more information on dairy farming, join online practical dairy farming video program for beginners and practitioners. Krishna Leela presents Gosutra. Join now. Gain wisdom before you start. Number 3. Common mistake. Starting by buying large number of cows. Buying cows at fancy expensive rates. KL mantra when you start. Less is more. Grow slowly. Keep number of cows less. Do not start with more than 2 to 4 cows, calf or around 4 heifers. Many invest heavily in buying large number of cows, and then realize the mistakes in selection, difficulty in managing, and experience lot of stress and loss of money. For more information on dairy farming, join online practical dairy farming video program for beginners and practitioners. Krishna Leela presents Gosutra. Join now. Gain wisdom before you start.